Hi, I'm Rama Subramanian from Ankur Capital. Ankur Capital is based out of Mumbai. Chosen because I think we are in a space which currently there are not many players. One, you have the large venture funds who look at investing large sums of money, and then you have the business schools which give some small sums of money. But folks who will give them the decent sum of money and also provide the hands-on capital, hands-on support that is needed. Currently, the biggest challenge that social businesses face is, or for that matter any business that starts off, is the fact that apart from funding is a need for human capital. And at that stage of their business, it's very difficult for them to get senior folks with experience who will enable them to grow. One, it gives publicity. It helps us get into the circuit in terms of people being aware of, one, the space that there is a gap that exists. So not only us, for us, we would achieve success not just because if as an organization we achieve success, but we also enable others who see the need for this and can start off. So for us, that is a key thing of a success, and I think that this is something that can achieve it. But I must say is the fact that the voting process was something which enabled us to be involved in some way, where we reached out to people as well. And I think that made a difference. It was not necessarily like, that made a difference in terms of being chosen, but it kind of forced us to also speak up, which generally being in a startup, we also tend to keep that as a last piece of thing to be done. And it really helped us to reach out to people.